Hello, I'm Jigdal. I'm gonna make a slime. Hi, I'm gonna use a Vaseline in a toothpaste. Okay, let me open this. Now first get a spoon and get a chalk. Okay, I'm using 2 spoons. I'm gonna use a toothpaste now. Okay, I'm gonna mix it well. Okay. Wow, I'm so excited. Look at this. You have to mix it well. Keep mixing, keep mixing. Guys, notice. It matches my t-shirt. Color blue. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 8 hours. See you guys in 8 hours. I'm gonna see you morning. Look, I'm gonna put it in the fridge now. Now wait for 8 hours. After 8 hours, let's see the slime. You just. Slime is ready. Oh. Guys, look at this.
Wow.
So sticky. This is the crumble of the slime. See you guys. Okay, stay safe. Bye.